2 Ramadans in a single year. By 2030, Ramadan will fall in January, but because the Islamic year is shorter than the Western year, it will also come around again at the end of that year. Each year Ramadan moves back approximately 10 to 11 days as per the lunar calendar, meaning in the coming years Ramadan will be edging closer and closer to the beginning of the Gregorian calendar year. January 6th to February 4th, 2030 will be the first spell of Ramadan, followed by December 26th of 2030 to January 24th being the second spell. That's 2 Ramadan months in 1 year. Now the reason for this unusual occurrence is that Islamic calendar follows a lunar cycle, that is a cycle of the moon, not the Gregorian calendar, which follows a cycle of the sun.